In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly open Microsoft Teams or Word with Copilot to streamline your HR tasks, specifically focusing on creating onboarding checklists, crafting welcome emails for new hires, and setting up automated follow-up reminders. These tools are fantastic for boosting productivity, simplifying communication, and ensuring a smooth onboarding process for your new team members. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams or Word. Make sure your software is up to date for the best experience. If you're in Teams, simply launch the application from your desktop or via your web browser. Alternatively, if you prefer using Word, you can open it from the Microsoft Office suite. With these platforms, the process is straightforward and efficient thanks to Copilot, which is your handy AI assistant designed to enhance these experiences. Once you're set up and ready in Teams or Word, the next step is to request the AI to generate onboarding checklists and welcome emails. You want to start by prompting Copilot to assist you. A simple request like, "Hey Copilot, help me create an onboarding checklist," will suffice. What Copilot does is take your initial prompt and works to generate a structured checklist that covers all the essential tasks and information for new hires. Similarly, ask Copilot to draft a welcome email. Be sure to provide it with any specifics, such as your company's tone or any key points you'd like to include. This might be the time to input things such as your company's mission statement or an enthusiastic greeting that aligns with your branding. With your checklists and welcome emails drafted, the next step is customization. Tailor the materials to fit the unique needs of your organization and new employees. This might involve adding personalized introductions, company-specific resources, or team member introductions. Customization is key to making new hires feel valued and clear on what to expect. So take your time with this process. Ensure that everything aligns with your company's goals and culture, maintaining clarity and professionalism. Finally, let's automate those follow-up reminders to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. In Teams, use the built-in functions to set tasks and reminders within channels. For instance, you could set a reminder that notifies you or the concerned team when an onboarding action is nearing its deadline. Similarly, Word can be used with Microsoft Outlook's calendar to set automated emails for check-ins, ensuring continuous communication without manual effort. And that's it. We've gone through opening Microsoft Teams or Word with Copilot, requesting AI-generated onboarding materials, customizing them, and finally automating follow-up reminders. By employing these strategies,